What makes a city happy? Is it the monuments, the economy, or the weather? For years, Copenhagen has topped global happiness reports, making the world wonder, what's their secret? This Danish capital radiates contentment. People smile more, move at a gentler pace, and seem genuinely at ease. The city's happiness isn't accidental. It's the result of generations of choices: people over profits, community over competition, and simple pleasures over extravagance. Here, well-being is a public good, not just a personal goal. Copenhagen's approach blends cultural values, social policies, and urban planning into a holistic model. It's not utopia, but a real example of how a city can support human flourishing. Happiness here isn't superficial cheerfulness. It's a deep sense of security, trust, and time to enjoy life's simple moments. A happy city isn't just a collection of happy individuals, it's a community that works together so everyone can thrive. And it all starts with a single, untranslatable concept: Hygge. Let's explore how Copenhagen's unique recipe for happiness works. The answer might surprise you. At the heart of Danish culture is Hygge, a word that means coziness, contentment, and enjoying life's simple pleasures. Think candlelight, soft blankets, and sharing meals with friends. It's not about things, but about atmosphere and connection. In Copenhagen, Hygge is a daily practice shaping social life and public spaces. Instead of loud nightclubs, you'll find cozy cafes where people gather to connect, not impress. This focus on genuine interaction builds strong social bonds, one of the most important factors for happiness. Higa extends into the home too. Danish design is all about creating calm, welcoming spaces filled with natural materials and soft light. Especially during long winters, homes become sanctuaries of comfort and peace. Ultimately, Hygge is a mindset, appreciating the present and finding joy in everyday rituals. By embracing Hygge, Copenhageners have created a powerful antidote to modern stress. It's the emotional foundation of the city's happiness. Hygge may be the soul, but Denmark's social model is the backbone of Copenhagen's happiness. Here, well-being is a collective responsibility. High taxes fund universal healthcare, free education, and generous social support. This safety net means no one has to choose between health and financial stability, and everyone can reach their potential. The result? High social trust. People believe in their government and each other. It's common to see parents leave babies in strollers outside cafes, reflecting a deep sense of safety and community. This model challenges the idea that high taxes kill ambition. In fact, security frees people to take risks and pursue passions. The social safety net doesn't create dependency, it creates freedom. Investing in people is seen as the city's greatest asset. Trust and security are non-negotiable ingredients in Copenhagen's happiness. It's a system that works for everyone. Copenhagen's happiness is built into its streets and parks. The city is a global leader in sustainable urban design, prioritizing people over cars. Bicycles are the main mode of transport, thanks to a vast network of safe bike lanes. This choice means daily exercise, less pollution, and a calmer city. Copenhagen aims to be the world's first carbon-neutral capital, driving innovation in green energy and public spaces. Parks and clean harbors are everywhere, turning the city into a giant living room and playground. Nature is woven into urban life, encouraging people to slow down and connect. The city's design makes healthy, sustainable choices easy and enjoyable. It's proof that a city can be modern, green, and deeply humane. Here, happiness is engineered into the very infrastructure. The final piece of Copenhagen's happiness puzzle is equality and work-life balance. Danish society is highly egalitarian, with a small gap between rich and poor and a focus on social mobility. Success is measured by quality of life and community, not just wealth. The standard work week is short, overtime is rare, and 5 weeks of paid vacation is the norm. This balance prevents burnout and strengthens families and communities. Free time and less financial stress mean more people join clubs, volunteer, and build strong social networks. Community life is vibrant, combating loneliness and fostering belonging. This collective spirit is a powerful driver of contentment. Copenhagen's happiness isn't magic. It's a blueprint built on trust, community, and balance. If we want happier cities, we must put people's well-being at the heart of every decision.